Hi kids, in today's session we are going to do mixed questions of plus small friends, minus small friends and plus big friends. Big friends I'm only taking from 1 to 4. Okay. I will make you do the complete thing also. I'm just going step by step. Okay. Look at the first question. Add 4, add 1. I don't have beats for 1, right? I will do small friends. Plus 5 minus 4. Now, minus 2. I don't have beats for minus 2. So again, small friends, formula of minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3. Now, plus 4. I don't have beats for plus 4. So formula of plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1. Small friends only. Plus 2. Then plus 2. Now, I have to do plus 2. Can I do plus 2? No, ma'am, we cannot do plus 2, right? So, what is the formula of plus 2? There are two formulas of plus 2. Plus 5 minus 3 plus 10 minus 8. Plus 5 minus 3 small friends plus 10 minus 8 big friends. We can't do plus 5 minus 3 here. Why? 5 is already plus. So we can't plus it again. Now what is left? Now we will go to big friends when we can't do small friends. Plus 2's formula plus 10 minus 8. Plus 10 minus 8. Clear? Look another one. Add 7 minus 4. I can't do minus 4 here. What is the formula of minus 4? Small friends. Minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1. Plus 3. I don't have beats for 3. Formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. As long as I can apply small friends, I will keep applying it. When I can't apply small friends, then I will go to big friends. Now, plus 2 plus 4. Now, plus 4 has two formulas. One, plus 5 minus 1 plus 10 minus 6. I cannot do plus 5 minus 1. Why? Plus 5 is already added. See, what is left? Big friends now. Plus 10 minus 6. Plus 10 minus 6. I couldn't do small friends for 4. So I did its big friends. That is plus 10 minus 6. That's how I did small friends. 8 plus 4 plus 10 minus 6. Answer is 12. Okay. Okay. I hope it's clear. I'll see you in the next video with more questions. Okay. Bye bye.